Welcome to our roundup of the best metal detectors for beginners. If you are just getting started with treasure hunting, beach scanning, or backyard exploration, choosing the right metal detector can make all the difference. We have selected beginner-friendly metal detectors that balance ease of use, sensitivity, durability, and affordability. We will walk you through what each detector does best, how it performs in real situations, and why it might be the right choice for you. Whether you are searching on land, in shallow water, or tight spaces, this list has something for everyone. Let's get started and uncover the best beginner metal detectors available. The first on the list is the SCHARXY underwater metal detector. Waterproof design, high sensitivity detection, and vibration and audio alerts make this detector an excellent entry point for beginners who want to search in wet environments. Designed for underwater use, the SCHARXY detector is fully submersible, allowing you to confidently scan rivers, lakes, beaches, and shallow seas. Its sensitive detection coil quickly picks up metal objects like coins, rings, and small tools, even when buried under sand or mud. What makes the SCHARXY especially beginner-friendly is its simple one-button operation. There are no complicated settings to adjust, which means you can start detecting almost immediately. When metal is detected, the device alerts you through sound and vibration, making it easy to notice finds even underwater or in noisy surroundings. Overall, this detector is a great option for beginners who want a reliable underwater metal detector that is easy to use, responsive, and built to handle wet conditions with confidence. Next up is the TC110 portable metal detector. Compact size, adjustable sensitivity, and wide detection range make the TC110 a versatile choice for beginners exploring different environments. This detector is designed to be portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry on outdoor trips, hikes, or beach walks. Despite its small size, it offers impressive sensitivity that can detect various metal types quickly and accurately. The adjustable sensitivity feature allows beginners to fine-tune detection based on location. Whether you are scanning sandy beaches, grassy fields, or soil with lots of debris, you can reduce interference and focus on valuable targets. The clear audio alert system ensures you know exactly when metal is detected, helping build confidence for new users learning how signals work. Durability is another highlight. The TC110 is built with sturdy materials that can withstand everyday outdoor use. Overall, this detector offers a great balance of portability, performance, and ease of use, making it a solid starter option for casual treasure hunting. Next, we have the SC003 handheld pointer metal detector. Pinpoint accuracy, quick response time, and one-touch operation make this detector perfect for beginners who want precise locating. The SC003 is designed as a handheld pointer, meaning it excels at finding the exact location of metal once you are close to the target. This makes it a great companion for beginners who want fast and accurate results. The detector responds instantly when metal is nearby, helping reduce digging time and frustration. Its simple one-button design makes it incredibly easy to operate, even for first-time users. Audio and vibration alerts increase in intensity as you get closer to the object, helping you quickly zero in on your find. Overall, this metal detector is an excellent beginner tool for precise detection and quick learning, especially for those who want a simple and effective handheld solution. Next, we have the TC120 handheld metal finder. High detection sensitivity, durable build, and user-friendly alerts make the TC120 a dependable choice for beginners. This handheld detector is designed to quickly identify metal objects in a variety of environments, including soil, sand, and shallow water. Its sensitive detection system ensures you do not miss small or deeply buried items. The TC120 features clear audio and vibration alerts that are easy to understand, even for new users. This helps beginners learn how detection signals work without confusion. Overall, the TC120 is a reliable beginner-friendly metal detector that combines strong performance with simplicity, making it a great choice for everyday treasure hunting. The last one on our list is the Treasure Hunter handheld metal detector. Beginner-focused design, fast detection response, and lightweight portability make this detector an excellent starting point for newcomers. Built specifically with beginners in mind, this detector focuses on ease of use without sacrificing effectiveness. It quickly detects metal objects and provides instant feedback through sound and vibration alerts. The lightweight construction makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, while the simple controls ensure there is no learning curve. Beginners can confidently scan yards, parks, or beaches and enjoy immediate results. Its detection accuracy helps reduce unnecessary digging, making the experience more enjoyable. Overall, it is a great all-around beginner metal detector that offers simplicity, reliability, and satisfying results right from the start. So, those are our top picks for the best metal detectors for beginners. Each option on this list offers user-friendly controls, reliable detection, and solid performance to help you start your treasure hunting journey with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, and check the description below for product links. Thanks for watching and happy hunting!